What if the best Android phone of next year fits right in your hand? Yeah, I'm talking about the OnePlus 15T, the next compact powerhouse from OnePlus that's already making waves in early leaks. Today, we're breaking down everything we know so far: the design, specs, possible upgrades, and why this might just be the small flagship every Android fan has been waiting for. Stick around till the end, because the rumored battery capacity on this thing sounds almost too good to be true. Let's start with the looks. According to leaks from Digital Chat Station, the OnePlus 15T is keeping that sweet spot in size with a 6.31-inch flat display. It's not a slab, it's not a mini, it's that perfect middle ground for one-handed use. And the display specs sound premium. A 1.5K resolution panel with razor-thin, uniform bezels. No chunky borders, no awkward curves, just clean, modern symmetry. Now, the big question: will it feature the same silky 165Hz refresh rate as the regular OnePlus 15? If so, scrolling through apps or gaming on this thing is going to feel buttery smooth. OnePlus seems to have found that formula: compact design without cutting corners. Under the hood, this thing means business. The OnePlus 15T is rumored to ship with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. That's their top-tier processor, expected to deliver around 20% faster CPU performance compared to the previous 8 Elite found in the 13T. Translation: this is going to be one of the fastest compact phones on the planet. Think console-level gaming performance, AI-driven photography, and multitasking that feels instant. And while RAM and storage details haven't leaked yet, expect configurations that match its flagship status, probably starting at 12 GB of RAM with UFS 4.0 storage. Later, we'll talk about how OnePlus might squeeze an almost 7,000 mAh battery into this compact frame. Here's where it gets wild. Leaks suggest the OnePlus 15T might pack a massive 7,000 mAh battery in a phone just over 6 inches. Even if it's closer to 6,000 mAh, that's still impressive engineering. Combine that with OnePlus's signature 100-watt fast charging, and you've got a compact phone that can power through a full day of heavy use and recharge in minutes, a potential game changer for small flagships. Now, camera details are still mostly under wraps, but if OnePlus follows its recent pattern, expect a triple camera setup co-developed with Hasselblad. Improved color science, better HDR tuning, and faster image processing thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5's new ISP are all on the table. But one confirmed upgrade that has fans talking is the shift to an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Finally, it's faster, more secure, and works even when your fingers are a little wet. Combine that with expected IP68 water and dust resistance, a step up from the 13T's IP65, and it's clear that OnePlus is tightening the polish on every corner. It's small, but now it's also seriously durable. Here's the timeline based on current leaks. The OnePlus 15T is expected to launch in early 2026, likely between March and April. And just like the 13T, it should hit international markets soon after under the name OnePlus 15S. So, yeah, OnePlus is skipping the 14 entirely. It's considered unlucky in China and jumping straight to 15. Typical OnePlus move, but it keeps things interesting. If the pricing lands right around where the 13T launched, this could undercut most big brand flagships by hundreds while matching them on performance. So what do we know? The OnePlus 15T looks like the compact flagship we've been waiting for. Fast, refined, and perfectly sized without sacrificing performance, display, or battery life. If you've been wanting a smaller phone that still feels truly premium, this could be the one to watch in 2025. What do you think? Should compact flagships make a comeback? Or are big screens here to stay? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more OnePlus 15T updates.